Ayan na, Almazan. Pinasa kay Amaya. Amaya, number 21. Binalik kay Almazan. Almazan now, number 3, dribbling the ball. Almazan, naghahanap ang pasukan. Almazan, pumasok. Basket count. 2 points for Almazan, number 3. Ayan na, Jamila. Jamila now, dribbling the ball. Number 22. Jamila ngayon, naghahanap ang pasangan. Pinasa kay Hinalas. Hinalas, number 07. Nagsisenyas ng play, pinasa kay Gado. Gado, binalik kay Hinalas, pumukol ng 3, supply, nakuha ni Jamila, inaagaw kay De La Cruz, pinasa kay Godoy, supply, nakuha ni Jamila ulit, pass to Eniza. Eniza now, take away shot, bitin, nakuha ni Almazan. Almazan now, wow, may pa-step back pa si Almazan. Ayan na, Almazan number 3, pinasa kay Katap. Katap number 26, foul, and 1 by number 22, Jamila. Bonus shot for Katap, number 26. Second personal foul, first team foul. 8 minutes and 58 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Score is 29-38. Substitution rep, Gato out, Abinido in. Basket count. Ayan na, Jamila now. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Jamila ngayon, pinasa kay Abinido. Abinido to Iniza, Iniza to Godoy, bumangga. Supply, put back. Supply, put back by Hinalas for 2. Ayan na, Almazan, dribbling the ball. Almazan ngayon, number 3, foul, and 1. Who's foul rep? Number 07, Hinalas, first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot for Almazan. Supply, ayan na, Hiniza. Pass to Jamila. Jamila ngayon, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Abinido, back to Jamila. Jamila to... Ayan na, Hinalas. Supply, nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz ngayon, jump. Ay, foul. Foul pa tayo. Number 07, Hinalas. Second personal foul. Third team foul for Jetta Legends. Ayan na, Almazan, dribbling the ball, number 3. Almazan ngayon, naghahanap ang pasahan, pinasa kay Katap. Katap ngayon, lumusot, pinasa kay Amaya. Foul by Amaya, number 21. Foul number 21. 71, sorry. Number 71, Godoy. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Jetta Legends. Bonus shot for Amaya. Basket count! Ayan na, Jamila. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Abinido. Abinido ngayon, number 27. Pinasa kay Jamila ulit. Jamila, number 22. What a nice dribbling moves. Lumusot. Pinasa kay Abinido. Abinido, pinalik kay Jamila. Basket count! Uy, thank you. Ayan na, Katap. Number 26, dribbling the ball. Katap, lumusot, lumay up. Supply, nakuha ni De La Cruz. Foul by number 18, Hiniza. First personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for De La Cruz. Supply, last row. Inaasar ka na ng mga fans De La Cruz. Basket down for De La Cruz, number 24. Ayan na, Jamila, number 22, dribbling the ball. 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Ayan na, Abinido. Chacha moves. Pinasa kay Jamila. Jamila to Hinalas. Hinalas to... Ay, tinira. Ayun na, Ferrer. Pass to Katap. Katap number 26. Dribbling the ball. Driving to the basket. Layup. Supply. Put back by De La Cruz. It's good for 2 points. By De La Cruz, number 24. Ayun na, Goda yun na inbound. Pinasa kay Jamila. Jamila ngayon. Dribbling the ball, number 22. Naghahanap ang pasaan. Pinasa kay Abinido. Abinido na. Pinasa kay Godoy. Perimeter shot is good for 2 points. Walang kawala. Si Godoy is a perimeter shot. And Katap. Katap ngayon, number 26, dribbling the ball. Wala. Number 71. Substitution rep. De La Cruz out, Francisco in, Taay in, Amaya out. Abinido out, Rambakal in. Subrep, Redo Sindo in, Almazan out. Unang tirang pasok, last round. Basket count, 2 out of 2 for Katap, number 26. Ayun na, Jamila, number 22, dribbling the ball. Jamila now. Naghanap ang pasahan, pinasa kay Hinalas. Hinalas, driving to the basket, bumangga, layup, basket count, power move by Hinalas. Ayan na. Taay, number 22, dribbling the ball. Taay ngayon, 22, pinasa kay Katap to Francisco for 2. Ayan na, Jamila, number 22. Pumukol ng 3, supply. Nakuha ni Godoy for a perimeter shot. Supply, oh! Double foul. Number 01 at saka si number 15. Substitution rep. Ayan na, number 01. Pinasa kay Katap. Katap ngayon. Ang lakas ng preno. Pinasa kay Francisco. Supply. Nakuha ni foul. Foul by number 29, Francisco. Third personal foul. 17 foul. Ayan na, Godoy, number 71. Pinasa kay Trinos, back to Godoy. Godoy pumukol ng Dokos. Blind. Kaya na bola rin. Same ball pa tayo. Correction lang. 11 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Ayan na, Eliza. Pass to Trinos. Trinos, fake, jump, supply. Ayan na, nakuha ni Ferrer. Pass to Katap. Katap now. 1-on-1 with Trinos. Moving back. Basket count. For Katap, number 26. Ayan na, Rambakal. Rambakal supply. Ayan na, nakuha ni Redo Sindo. Redo Sindo, pass to Taay. Taay now, number 22. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer to Taay, number 22. To Katap. Basket count. Time out. Jet the Legends. Score is 55-39 in favor of Stockton Poge by 16. Time clock is 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Ayan na, Encarnacion. Pinasa kay Trinos. Trinos ngayon. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Trinos, pinasa kay Sabiron. Sabiron pumukol ng supply. Rambakal. Rambakal for a putback and one. By Rambakal. Number 01, Ferrer. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for Rambakal, number 15. Tatlo na si Ferrer. Basket count for Rambakal, number 15. Ayan na, Almazan, number 3, dribbling the ball. Almazan, pinasa kay Francisco. Francisco, number 29, lumusot, lumay-up. Yun nga lang, lumabas pa. Redosundo for the putback. Ayan na, Trinos, number 4, dribbling the ball. Trinos ngayon, pinasa kay Encarnacion. Encarnacion ngayon, pinasa kay Hiniza. Hiniza to Encarnacion to Trinos. Bang! Trinos from downtown for 3. Ayan na, Tay, pinasa kay Almazan. Basket count. Napakaganda ng dalawan ni Almazan. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 18 to shoot. Ayan na, Encarnacion. Pinasa kay Sabiron for 3. Bang! 3 points for Sabiron. Number 23. Ayan na, Taay. Taay na, number 22. Nakuha ni Hiniza. Hiniza to Encarnacion to Trinos. Wide open layup. Basket count. 42 seconds. Ayan na, Almazan. Dribbling the ball, number 3. Almazan ngayon. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, Ferrer, number 01. Supply. Francisco! Basket count! Ayan na! 15 seconds! 12! 10! 8! 5! 3! Basket count! And that's the end of the third quarter.